Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Jody, guess what's coming up this weekend?
What's on the agenda, Lokesh?
Movie night. We watch movies on the weekends, remember?
Oh, I'm all in. What's the plan? Comedy, action, or drama?
How about a classic comedy this time? Something that'll have us in splits.
Great choice. Any movie in particular in mind?
Well, I was thinking of a classic, The Big Lebowski. It's got Jeff Bridges, bowling, and lots of humor.
That's a good one. The dude abides. And should we order some snacks?
Absolutely. How about some popcorn, nachos, and cheese dip?
Perfect. You bring the movie, I'll bring the snacks. What time should I come over?
Let's start at 7 p.m. That way, we have enough time for laughs and snacks.
It's a date, then. Looking forward to a fun movie night.
Me too, Jody. It's going to be a blast. It's almost 7 p.m., and you know, Jody, I'm really looking forward to this movie.
Me too, Lokesh. I can't wait for the laughs.
By the way, have you heard about the movie about coffee?
A movie about coffee? No, I haven't. Tell me more.
Well, I heard it had a latte drama.
Oh, Lokesh, you and your puns. That's a good one.
Gotta keep the mood light before the movie, right?
Absolutely. And speaking of light, don't forget to dim the lights when we start watching.
Will do. And our snacks are ready to roll too.
Great. Let's get this movie night started.
Alright, Jody, here we go. The movie's about to start.
I love this part, Lokesh. The anticipation.
It's like a mini adventure, right at home. By the way, did I tell you about that movie I watched last week?
No, what was it about?
It was about a time traveler who got stuck in the past. The way they mixed history with humor was fantastic.
That sounds intriguing. I love when movies get creative with their storytelling.
Absolutely. Speaking of time, it's almost time for the detective to fumble through his latest case.
Let the laughter begin. Thanks for joining me, Lokesh. Movie nights are so much better with friends.
Likewise, Jody. Friends, movies, and good times. What more could we ask for? Jody, did you see that? The detective just mistook the butler for the villain. Classic mix-up.
I know, right? It's like he's a detective in his own little world.
That's what makes this movie so much fun. You never know what he'll do next.
And the way he talks, it's like he's from a different era. Jolly good, old chap.
Righto, my dear Watson. Laughs, it's all part of the charm.
It's a delightful escape from reality. Hey, Lokesh, have you ever thought about acting?
Me? Acting? Well, I do love movies, but I've never considered it.
You'd make a great detective with those puns of yours.
Maybe in a comedy, but I'd need some serious acting lessons.
Well, we can start with a dramatic "It was the butler" line.
It was the butler. Laughs.
Bravo, Lokesh, bravo.
Jody, I have to say, this has been one of the most entertaining movie nights in a while.
I couldn't agree more, Lokesh. I think we've laughed enough for a whole week.
Absolutely. It's these little moments that make weekends special, isn't it?
You're right. In our busy lives, it's important to take a break and unwind like this.
And to share those moments with friends. It makes everything better.
Thanks for being part of my weekend, Lokesh.
Thank you for having me. We should do this more often.
Definitely. How about a movie night next weekend?
I'm in. Any requests for the next movie?
How about a classic adventure film? Something with treasure maps and daring escapes?
Sounds like a plan. I'll bring the popcorn.